Hi guys, this is the Key Stage 3 lesson for science, and we're just going to do a guide to maths for scientists. So I've got 3 learning objectives today. As you can see, we need to define continuous and discrete data, we need to describe different methods of data presentation, and also we need to draw a bar chart using data. So first one, what I need you guys to do for me is to try and think of some examples of discrete and continuous data. So you can pause the video, use your phones to do a little bit of research. So the first one, discrete data has to be a whole number. So the example there is shoe size, whereas continuous data does not have to be a whole number. So it could be like mass or weight. So what I would like you to try and do is, using the picture of the rabbits, the school rabbits who are doing their lockdown lesson as well, can you try and think of some examples of discrete and continuous data using that picture? So again, feel free to pause the video and have a go. So examples could be for discrete data. So remember, it has to be a whole number. So that could be the number of rabbits. And for continuous data, that could be the weight of the rabbits. Going on to our second learning objective, describe different methods of data presentation. So what I'd like you to do is try and pause the video and fill in the missing words using the pictures to help you. First one was pie chart. So a pie chart is a way that we can show data, and we had mince pies as an example to help us. Second one was table. Third one was quite a difficult one, a bar chart with a bar with weights on to help us as an example. The fourth is probably the hardest one. We had a bowling ball, scattering the pins. Don't think we would have got that one, but if we did, well done. And that's a scatter graph. And the final one, the pen was drawing a line, so that one is your line graph. So at the top, we have pictures of all of those different methods of data presentation. What I'd like you to try and do for me is match the pictures to the words. So again, pause the video and have a go. And there we have them. So we have the pie chart as the circle, the table with the information in, the bar chart with different colour bars, the scatter graph is lots of dots, and the line graph is the dots joined up. Our final learning objective today is to draw a bar chart using data. Now, because you do not have graph paper, you may just need to sketch this in your exercise books. So this is the data I would like you to use. Could you please pause the video and have a go at sketching or drawing that bar chart? And here is our example of a bar chart. So it doesn't matter if your bars are in different orders. As long as your bars are the correct size, then you will get all of the marks for that exam question. Some clues to help you: always try and find the highest number, and make sure when you do your scale, you start from 0, even if 0 isn't one of the numbers, and go up to the highest number, making sure you have even spread of the numbers. So here, I've gone up in 20s using at least half of the paper. So 3 learning objectives there. What we're going to do just to finish is one little test to see if we have learnt those objectives. So first one, what I'd like you to do, out of these 3 examples, can you try and decide which one is continuous and which one is discrete? Pause the video and have a go. Alright, we have the answers there. So the first 2 are discrete and the last one is continuous. Our second learning objective, can you try and name these types of methods of data presentation for me? So pause the video, have a go. Alright, answers are there for you. And finally, can I have you to draw a bar chart, but could you try and send that picture in for me? And just to test to see if you can understand bar charts, can you try and fill in these gaps here using the one that I did for you? So the answers are there for you. So thank you for doing that, guys. And again, if you have any questions, queries, please just email that to the school. Well done.